Struggling with bad credit in Canada and looking for a second chance? Don't worry, you're not alone and you're not stuck. In this video, we reveal the best credit cards for bad credit in Canada for 2025, designed to help you rebuild your financial future step by step. Whether you've been denied before, are starting fresh, or need a credit solution that doesn't require a perfect score, this list includes both secured and unsecured credit cards that actually work. From low deposit options to guaranteed approval cards, and even some that offer real benefits like cash rewards or free credit monitoring, this video covers the most trustworthy cards available to Canadians with low or damaged credit scores. We'll walk you through which cards help you build your credit fast, which ones report monthly to Canada's major credit bureaus, and which issuers treat you fairly without outrageous fees. Plus, we'll explain how using these cards smartly in 2025 can open doors to better financial products down the line. If you're a student, a newcomer to Canada recovering from financial hardship, or simply looking for your best option after rejection, this video is made for you. Don't skip this. Your credit comeback starts now. Watch the full video, hit the subscribe button, and leave your questions in the comments. Your financial journey deserves real guidance, and this channel is here for you. The first card that truly stands out in 2025 is the Capital One Guaranteed Secured Mastercard, a real hero for bad credit situations. Why? Because approval is nearly guaranteed as long as you meet the basic requirements, even if your credit is bruised or broken. With a small security deposit starting from just $75 to $300, depending on your credit worthiness, you can unlock a credit limit of $300 or more. And the best part is that it reports to all major credit bureaus in Canada. This means every on-time payment helps rebuild your credit step by step. Yes, it has a $59 annual fee, but compared to the opportunities it opens up, that's a small investment in your future. Now let's move to another powerful contender, the Home Trust Secured Visa, which comes in two versions, one with an annual fee and one without. This card is excellent for people who want a straightforward way to rebuild credit while enjoying flexible deposit options from $500 to $10,000. Whether you're a newcomer to Canada or simply want to reset your credit journey, this card lets you control your credit limit based on how much deposit you're willing to put in. It doesn't come with rewards, but remember, the goal right now is to get your credit in shape. Once you hit that milestone, you can graduate to premium cards later. Next up, if you're someone who's building credit and also wants a little more modern touch, the Neo Secured credit card deserves your attention. Neo has shaken up the credit scene in Canada with a clean digital experience and instant approval decisions in many cases. What makes Neo unique is that it offers cashback rewards even as a secured card, which is rare in this space. You start with a minimum $50 deposit and can unlock tailored cashback offers based on your spending habits. And yes, it reports to the credit bureaus, so your progress is tracked as you pay on time, and because there's no annual fee, it's a risk-free way to get started. For students, gig workers, or anyone who prefers a 100% digital experience, this card checks all the boxes. If you've been recently discharged from bankruptcy or are facing serious derogatory marks, another excellent option is the Plasticase Secured Visa credit card. Now, this card is built for serious rebuilders. With a minimum $300 deposit and an annual fee of $48 plus a $6 monthly maintenance fee, it may sound pricey, but it comes with one thing. Most rebuild cards don't. A free credit score tracker built into the app. This helps you monitor your progress month by month and stay motivated. Plasticase also offers reward points, though they're not the main attraction here. The key value is visibility and reporting to both Equifax and TransUnion. That kind of dual bureau reporting can speed up your credit rebuild if used responsibly. Then we have the KOHO Extra Prepaid Mastercard. While it's technically not a credit card, it plays a major supporting role for bad credit users. It lets you build credit through KOHO's optional credit building program, where you pay a small monthly fee to report on-time payments to the bureaus. KOHO also gives you 1% cashback on groceries and transportation and up to 5% at select partnered merchants. So if you're in a transitional phase, KOHO can work as a financial training ground while your credit heals. And speaking of fintech, the EQ Bank Card, also prepaid, offers similar backup support with no foreign transaction fees and ATM reimbursements across Canada. Now, if you want a traditional unsecured credit card but your score is still borderline, try applying for the Capital One Low-Rate Guaranteed Master. We have the Capital One Guaranteed Secured Mastercard, which is ideal for applicants with poor or no credit. As long as you're a Canadian resident and meet the age requirements, approval is almost guaranteed. With a refundable deposit as low as $75 and an annual fee of $59, this card is incredibly accessible and is also reported to both major credit bureaus in Canada. It's a reliable option for those looking for a steady path back to good credit health. Now let's talk about the Neo Secured Credit Card, a modern option for digital-savvy Canadians. What makes Neo stand out is its no annual fee structure and rewards program, something you don't often see with secured cards. You can earn cash back on daily purchases, including groceries and gas, while still building your credit score with responsible use. It's a win-win. For students or those who prefer a flexible digital banking experience, the KOHO Prepaid Mastercard with credit building add-on could be a smart choice. Though it's technically a prepaid card, KOHO allows users to opt into a credit building program where your usage is reported to Equifax. It also offers cashback and budgeting tools through its mobile app, making it more than just a basic prepaid card. It's a financial toolkit. Another strong option in 2025 is the Plastique Secured Credit Card, which combines credit building with a points rewards program. Yes, even with bad credit, you can earn rewards while improving your score. It has a $48 annual fee and a $6 monthly maintenance fee. But if you're serious about improving your financial profile and want access to a full-featured secured card, Plastique is a serious contender. Now for a slightly different path. The Refresh Financial Secured Card, now part of the Borrowell network. This card comes with a $12.95 monthly fee, but no credit checks and guaranteed approval make it ideal for someone starting from scratch. The card reports to both major bureaus and is well known among Canadians for its consistent performance in rebuilding credit. You also get access to financial education tools and credit score monitoring as part of your journey. And if you're someone who prefers a no-hassle option, consider the Capital One Low-Rate Guaranteed Mastercard, which offers a lower interest rate of 14.9% on purchases. Ideal for those trying to manage debt while building credit. Yes, there's a $79. Over time, you'll see your score start to rise, opening doors to better financial products, lower interest rates, and even mortgage approval in the future. Before we wrap up, a quick word of encouragement. If you've been feeling overwhelmed or discouraged by your credit situation, just know that it doesn't define you. And it can absolutely change. Thousands of Canadians are on the same journey as you. And the most important thing is that you're taking a stop today to move forward. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss more videos just like this. Drop your questions in the comments. I personally reply to as many as I can because this channel is built for you, whether you're a student, a newcomer, or someone just trying to reset your financial future, you belong here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. The Home Trust Secured Visa Card is a secured credit card option that lets you have a credit limit as high as $10,000 when you put down a deposit of an equal amount. The Home Trust Secured Visa Card is an excellent choice for those with bad credit. According to Home Trust, almost everyone who applies and puts down a deposit is approved. Your credit limit will be equal to the amount of your deposit, which can be anywhere from $500 to $10,000. If you're likely to carry a balance, this card offers the option of a lower interest rate of 14.99% in exchange for an annual fee of $59, which is worth it if your balance regularly exceeds $1,160. This card requires a minimum security deposit of $500, which may be too much to ask for some people with bad credit. Any security funds provided are not returned until the account is closed. This card also doesn't offer any extra protection such as purchase security or extended warranty coverage, which comes standard with most credit cards. The Home Trust Secured Visa Card is best for those who want to rebuild their credit using a secured credit card. The secured Neo Mastercard is the only secured credit card to offer cashback rewards, but it charges a $5 monthly fee. The secured Neo Mastercard offers guaranteed approval and a low min.